Do you want to join the room?
Might as well.
Okay. Wait, I can talk, right?
Yeah.
Like, okay. I should probably. Oh wait, I definitely shouldn't pull up the stream to the side.
Yeah, that might not be a good idea.
I mean, like, it's not like I wouldn't cheat.
Hello. I wonder if it would be possible to pull up just a live chat.
No idea. Maybe.
Yes, it is your birthday. Happy birthday. You're welcome. Did the link work? Matthew?
Yeah.
Did the link work?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, it did work.
Oh, okay. Great. So I guess Matthew can see our chat messages now. Did I leave the room?
It says you left.
Oh, join room. That's weird.
Still 6 minutes till start.
What?
Still 6 minutes till start.
Yeah. I guess so. Approximately. Six minutes precisely. Now.
Kind of funny because the stream is 15 seconds away.
Yeah. Okay. So, me and Matthew are going to be playing some binarysearch.io, which should be pretty fun. And I guess it kicked me again, so... Anyways. So it looks like... So I think I have to press ready for the next question?
Yes.
Okay. So then I am going to mute Matthew so he can no longer hear me and cheat off of what I'm saying. Okay, FizzBuzz. This is a classic problem. Don't even have to read it. So, let thingies, or I guess out would be a better name. And then for let I equals 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Then I think I would have to actually start it from 1. And then I'd have to say if n modulus 3 equals 0. The big brain games. Yes, you're not wrong. Okay, so we should also do let to push equal an empty string. So if it is a multiple of 3, then that will output 0. So then I can do to push plus equals fizz. So that will concatenate fizz to this empty string, which would just give fizz. And then if n modulus 5 equals 0, so if it's divisible by 5, then we would do to push plus equals buzz. So if it's a multiple of 5, it will concatenate buzz to the empty string. But if it's a multiple of 3 and 5, then it will concatenate fizz. So that'll be fizz, and then it will add buzz. So if it's a multiple of 3 and 5, it will be FizzBuzz. Yes, the big brain games. Wait, did I already... I think I already acknowledged that. Anyways, so then I'd have to do out.push to push. So then that would give an array up to n. So then I would do return out. Okay, let's try it. Failed test case. Okay. Oh, okay. I have to do if to push is still an empty string, then I would have to concatenate, and it looks like Matthew's already solved it, then I would have to concatenate the number, so I. Okay. That's not good. What's the problem there? Oh, this has to be I. And also, I think that has to be n minus 1. N plus 1? Oh, it worked. Okay.
Hey.
Yes.
Yeah, I saw you missed the +1 there. We have like
There we go.
really similar, you know, approaches, I guess. It's basically the same thing,
Okay,
except that yeah, mine was just if
so this
else
is
else if statements.
so this is Matthew's code. It looks like he checked if it is divisible by both 3 and 5, and then checks if it's divisible by either 3 or 5.
I mean, in real world use cases, this will probably be fine. Like that slight performance boost, probably of like not checking, one mod function is probably not going to make any difference, really.
Yeah.
Ready for the next question?
Yeah, sure. I'm just gonna play some epic music. Some epic non-copyright music. Anyways. Ready. Okay. Given strings s0 and s1 and a positive integer n, return the nth term in the sequence a, where a index 0 equals s0. Hold on, I have to turn this music down. Soviet Union. I'm fine. Maybe later. So a index n, where a index n minus 1 plus is what? Okay. I think this makes sense. I just have to do the Fibonacci sequence, but with strings, I guess. So let's just do let seq equals that, and that'll be s0, s1, and then for let I equals 0. Actually, that would have to be I equals 1. Wait, 2. And then I is less than n, and then I plus plus. Then I'd have to do seq dot push. So I'd have to add to the sequence s0 plus s1. So that will concatenate them again. Then I have to return the sequence. Wait, what? Oh, okay. I'd have to output the sequence index n. It's not good. I think this would be n plus 1. So I'm just gonna console.log the sequence. Oh, this has to be the sequence index sequence.length minus 1. And then this has to be sequence index sequence.length minus 2. Wait, what? I think these might be backwards. Hold on. Oh. So if n modulus 2 equals 0. So the sequence sort of changes whether it's even or not. So if it's even, I think we do this. But if it's odd, we do this. Maybe these need to be the other way around. Ah! Oh, this has to be I. Oh, it worked. Okay. Very good. Let's try this again. Who is Anas611? That's weird. Hello? Anyway, since I'm not under time pressure, I can now play the Soviet national anthem. Who is this person? Okay, yeah, that definitely needs to be n plus 1. Guess I don't need that console.log. Ah. That console.log slowed it down a lot. Okay, that's good. So it looks like Matthew's doing some checks to see if the number is 0 or 1, and if so, then don't bother doing any calculations. I guess what I can do here is switch this to a while statement. So while the sequence.length is less than yes, JS is nice. Actually, that might not be the best idea. I don't know. I wonder if this person is watching. I see less people do computer programming in JS.
Oof.
Who is this Anus person? Or Anus?
No idea. I think it's a public room, so anybody can join.
Ah, I see.
So that's interesting. I don't know what they did to solve it. Okay, yeah. They did actually the same thing that you did.
Cool.
Yeah, I don't...
Yeah, they
I
did
kinda just,
literally
like,
the
I
exact
blanked
same
out
thing.
because I didn't know necessarily what... Like, I didn't read the question probably that carefully.
Did the parody thing trip you up?
Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Oh well. Yeah, that... Like, I think it makes sense, like, now. But I still think you can probably do this without arrays, right?
Yeah, probably.
I mean, that would probably... I don't know. Would that be faster? Maybe.
I don't know. Okay, let's do this. Okay, given a list of integers nums, return the number of elements x. There are such that x plus 1 exists as well. Okay. This should be a bit tricky, but... So let's just have an output. We'll set that to 0. And then let's have array equals nums.sort. Then let's return a minus b. And then I need to do for let I equals 0, actually, let's have this do b minus a. Then we can have this be I equals array.length minus 1, and I is greater than or equal to 0, and I minus minus. So we're doing another reverse array. So then what we can do is let greater equals false. Set that to false by default. Then we'll have for let I equals 0, I is less than... Actually, no, this should be a reverse array too. And also we can't use I, so j equals array.length minus 1. And then... Actually, no, this should be I. So j equals I. And this should be I is greater than or equal to 0. And also, greater is... We also need to make sure greater is false. So it will stop when it's false. So then, we can do j minus minus. Then this needs to be j as well. And then, if array index j minus 1 equals... Actually, better idea. We'll just have greater equal array index j minus 1 equals wait, no. The -1 needs to be on the outside. Equals array index I. And then it will stop once greater is true. And then if, actually what we can do is do out plus equals greater. And then we return out. Okay, doesn't work. Num is not defined. Ah, that should be nums. Success. How did I do? Oh my goodness. Guess I failed the test case. Whoa. Expected output 0. Okay. So this is actually a really terrible solution. I just noticed. What I can do is just out plus equals, I don't even have to sort it. So out plus equals nums dot index of, and then that should be array index I. And then so if it is not 0, then we add 1, otherwise we add 0. Array is not defined. I need to switch this to nums, and nums okay. This should be index I plus 1. Okay. What is the issue? I know. I need to, it probably breaks if you have the same number more than once. So, how can I fix this? Apparently this person used set.js. I'm just going to look that up. New set. What? I'll have to look that up. I've never heard of that before. Oh, this has to be does not equal -1. Oh, it works. Okay. Okay, broke again. Still timed out with this one. Yeah, isn't that what I'm doing? I've never heard of sets before. How do I make this faster? What? So,
Oh, that was interesting, I guess.
yes,
I'm
that last
wondering,
one is
like,
dastardly.
what?
That last one.
Oh yeah, the last example. Like it wasn't hard at first to like, okay, this is what, you know, you can do. But to optimize it so that it's under that specified time is you know, quite difficult. I think, okay, so suggesting that using set is an interesting idea. I don't know necessarily how set works and how like maybe it's faster.
I have
I
never
don't
heard
know.
of sets.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, set is basically like an array, but like it has like it's weird because every single value is it's like it's not like all of the values are unique.
Hmm.
So like if you keep on adding the same thing over and over, it's not going to actually add it to the set, I guess.
Hmm. That's
I
weird.
think it has to be unique.
Also,
Set one.
sorry, Daniel. Rara Rasputin is definitely copyrighted. Anyways.
Set one that has key one returns false. Set one that add key one. No, set one contains. I guess you can also have two entries of the same thing. So it's like, I don't know. It's like very strange.
I think it says that in the explanation that it's okay that if they're unique values, right?
What do you mean by that?
Like it says in example 1, it says play instrumental version, still copyrighted. Includes take on in the worst case at Gendergo. What?
Oh, okay. I didn't see that. Yeah. I'm not certain.
Includes?
This seems like yeah. This is actually I think this is actually a new question. Looking at the solutions, there's only 3 solutions, and the earliest one was 6 hours ago using Python. But all of these people use sets, so I guess that's probably required. Well, do you want to just go on to the next one? That's actually kind of interesting. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Given 2 strings s and t, return the minimum amount of operations on s required to make t a substring of s. What? In each operation, you can choose any position s Furukushi joined. Yes, I did press ready. Who is Furukushi? What? How would you do that? Might be chisel? I don't see how this is an easy question, but maybe I'm just not very clever. I don't know where to start with this one, honestly. It is lol. Okay. I didn't know she can code. I'm on my school computer and my phone. Dumb clap for you. What does that even mean? I still don't understand how I'm supposed to do this question. I'm not sure anyone does. I sort of have an idea. Okay, I think I know how to solve it. Okay. Okay, so I need to do s.slice. Hold on. Slice JS. So are the parameters begin and end. Okay. So I need and I plus 4. So then let's console.log substrings. typo. I guess this needs to be +1. Okay, so then I need to, for every substring, I need to loop through the T. That needs to be a J. Oh yes, 69%. Anyways, Anas has solved it. Do I have merch? I do not have merch. So anyways, I'd have to let different equals 0 if T index Anas left the room, or Anus, I don't know. I still have your visitors card. Yes. I'm not surprised. Anyways. So if T index J equals substring index I index J, or does not equal, then I would need to do different ++. Then I need to do let min equals infinity. Then I'd have to say if different is less than min, then min equals different. Then I'd have to return different. No, I'd have to return min. Return min. Okay. That'd have to be substrings. Ah, it works. Not that one. Okay. Let's console.log the substrings. And use that for the test case. What? Run test. Okay, wrong answer. Laru. I'm trying to listen to your stream and Angel at the same time and it hurts my brain. Oh my goodness. Okay. So what's the issue there? Oh, this has to be I plus, no. Time's up. Oh, whatever. Let's just keep going.
Wow, okay.
I think I'm almost there. Ha! Okay.
I don't know. I don't think this is necessarily an easy problem.
Yeah.
I was thinking mainly because, like, okay, what if S equaled, OOBS, right? Then you'd only need one operation instead.
There we go.
Okay. So wait, what are you kind of doing?
Let's remove the console.log. That'll make things faster. And I think it did. So what I'm doing is generating all of the possible substrings that you could change the T to, and then finding which one requires the least changes.
Okay.
What are you trying to do?
Not really anything. Well, I guess I tried going along with, like, searching for each one and then splicing it out, and then, like, the remaining letters would be, like,
Big brain.
I guess, yeah, that would, you would add that on to the amount that was already, or, like, that would be the amount, basically.
Can you tell Matthew I said hi? Daniel says hi.
Oh, okay. Hi. Should we just go on to the next one?
Sure. I guess we're gonna have to wait for Purokushi.
Yeah, maybe. I wonder, okay, what would happen if I just... Okay. We could leave the room and join another room.
We could.
Should I just... Here, I'll just do that. Yeah, I'll leave the room and create a new room, I guess.
Daniel says, thank. And a dab emoji.
Okay. Sent you the link to the other room.
Cool. We might only be able to do 1 or 2 more.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay. Given an integer n, we apply this transformation until it becomes 1. Take each of the digits in n, square it, and take their sum. Return whether n will end up in 1 after the transformations. Okay. So I think what I have to do is let values equals is an array with n in it, and then I do for let I equals 0, I is less than... Actually, this should probably be better as a while loop. So while let out equals false. We're going to assume it's false unless otherwise. And also we'll assume that stop is false. How is this easy? Precisely. So I'm just going to say if out, so it will continue if out is false. Actually, no. It will continue if stop is not true. Is not false. Wait, no. Ha! A bunch of binary. Okay. Anyway, so I'm just going to do values. Actually, I'd have to do let v equals values index n, wait, no. Index values dot length. Actually, it would be faster if I had a variable. So we'll just have an index I, I'll set that to 0. So I'll just do values index I. I'm hacking the system. Okay. Anyways. So I need to, how do I split a number? I'm just going to convert this to a string. And then I'm going to do let next v equal v index 0. I'm going to parse that into an integer, and then square that, and then add v index 1. I'll have to parse into that 2, and then square that. So that is the next value. And then if values dot includes, so if the values includes the next v, then we set stop to true, because that means it's ended up in a cycle, which is bad. And then we would need to test if wait a minute. This I can't do. I'll just do let next v equal 0. The reason I can't do that is because I can't assume the numbers are always going to be in 2 digits. So I'll just do for let I equal v dot length minus 1, I is greater than or equal to 0, and I minus minus. So that will loop through every v for every digit in the value. So then I do next v plus equals the v index I, except I can't use I here. I have to use j, because I'm already using I here. And I also have to increment I at the end. So then, this would have to be v index j, and I'd have to parse into that, and then square that. And then, if the next v equals, what output do we want? If it will end up at 1, so that has to be if it equals 1. And then, if it equals 1, then we set out to true and stop to true. And then we would return out. Okay. ToString cannot read property ToString of undefined. I think this has to be ToString there. Oh, and I'd also have to do values dot push the next v. Okay. What was the sequence I generated? Okay, let's run this. 7, not a number, not a number. Okay. That's not good. Baldry? What? I did not get a haircut. Okay, I'm gonna have it console.log next v. Okay. Okay, what is v? Object undefined? Hold on. I think this has to be 0. I have to initialize that at 0. Let's try this. I still printed false. Yes, that is good. I quite like my hair. Zach's probably bald by now. Did he get a haircut? Hold on, I'm just going to look at ToString. Okay, so I think I was right before. This should be .ToString, and then I need a radix of 10. Ah, worked. I guess I needed to pass the radix. Out of curiosity, what is the default radix? That's weird. Submit. He said his parents were pushing for him to get one. That's not good.
Okay. Wait, I don't know why, but I keep on failing this one test case.
That's weird. What is it?
I don't think I'm doing anything necessarily wrong, but I guess I am.
Oh, yes.
Can you insert a test case for me?
Insert a test case? What do you mean?
Yeah. So, you know how there's like a console and there's a test case?
Yeah.
So, like, can you like insert that test case?
Okay.
In? Wait, are you console logging your, you have an array, right?
Yes.
Okay, can you console.log that array too?
Okay.
I just want to see what the array is supposed to look like.
Wait a minute. Have you tried hard mode to see how complex it is? We've not. We've tried medium difficulty, and it was very hard.
Hard mode, yeah. I mean, I've tried a harder question before.
That's the array that I got.
What? Okay, that's interesting.
And then it got 37 twice, so it stopped.
Right, yeah. Fudge. How does that even... What? I don't know
Matthew
what
equals
went
brain.
wrong, necessarily. It doesn't make any... Okay. I don't know what's going on now. Wait, do you know what's going on here?
Not really.
It's actually...
Are you
very strange.
console
For some-
Are you console.loggy your list?
Yes, my list ends up being this somehow.
Oh. Wait, what? Where'd that first number come from?
The first number comes from taking each one of the digits and squaring them, right? And then adding them together. Wait,
Yeah.
no, actually, yeah.
But, like, that's wrong, though.
Oh, wait, that actually makes a lot of sense. Why am I doing that? Oh, God.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, there we go. That makes a little bit more sense. That's still very strange, though.
Yes.
I wonder why mine is so slow. Okay.
Console.log is one of the slowest functions in JavaScript.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, oh, yeah, okay. I didn't notice I was still logging things. There we go.
Yeah.
That's what... Okay. That's kind of...
Yeah. Anyways. It has
a good
been...
stream.
Yeah. It has been approximately an hour, so I think we're going to stop now. So see you next time.